be able to understand.
Application of scientific knowledge.
Okay, very good. Okay, good. And
developing new ideas.
new ideas we can use. In those days, Vishwesvaraya, he never used technology, no? But he used new ideas to build KRS and all that.
By keeping phone and all, we say that we are into technology, that we are only into gadgets, not technology as man said, but we know the meaning of exactly technology. We are using gadgets, these are some instrument like, but or what exactly the
You are saying
technology.
smart classrooms, na? What is the meaning? Smart classrooms. What's the meaning of smart classroom?
Teaching through.
Easy mark.
Louder? Teaching? Yeah, tell me. There's nothing wrong, there's nothing correct. Come on,
We
tell
can
me.
teach easily and practically we can teach them by using the technology. So that they can.
Yeah, Shan, explain now. So you will all learn what technology is, okay? Now I have posed a question to you. Try and find out what technology is all about and you go and answer your principal ma'am and your management, okay? She'll be very happy to understand what technology is all about. So smart classrooms means we are using all different types of gadgets in the school, in the classrooms, and then we are introducing all the technologies. Now what he is explaining to you
This
is all.
content is it based on the textbook? Continuously
Yes.
chapter wise, unit wise?
Yes, it will be based unless and until you have your smart board study and all that. Smart boards will have all this content applied in that.
Smart board in the sense, if we take smart TV and the tab is also enough. Same way how we have connected to tab and this projector like.